Hey guys, what's up? It's Miss Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun yet sassy jazz funk routine to teach you. It's right around that intermediate level. So let's watch a quick preview and let's get started. 5, 6, ready, go! And we're gonna hit it 1, 2 with a snap. I'm gonna do a little kick at the same time, but you don't have to. So it'll go 1, 2. From there, we're gonna go 3 and 4 down to our knee. From there, we're gonna snap it up 5, 6. We're gonna step forward 7. We're gonna ronde-jambe that front foot around on 8 and press. So that 8 count together will look like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bring it up 5, 6, 7, 8. And that 8 count facing the back will go 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, snap, 6, 7, 8. All right, from there, you're gonna jump those feet together. 1, we're gonna do 2 shoulders, and 2. We're gonna bring it down to up, 3, 4. We're gonna do 2 hips, 5, 6. We're gonna kick ball change and bring those hands down, 7 and 8. So once again, that second 8 count, we just did our ronde-jambe. We're gonna jump those feet together. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, kick, ball, change. All right, let's piece that together from the beginning. We're here, we start. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, snap, 6, 7, ronde-jambe, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kick, ball, change. Good, let's try that facing the back. We're here, we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, snap, 6, 7, ronde-jambe, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, from that kickball change, we're gonna do another kickball change, but we're gonna clean and prep instead. So we were here, we're gonna go kick, ball, prep. Right there, we're gonna do a single or a double pirouette, whichever level you are on. I'm gonna do a double for this routine. 3, 4. You're gonna jump it out, 5. You're gonna clean it on 6. We're gonna snap it to the side, 7, 8. So that 8 count, again, will look like this. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's piece that together from the beginning. We kick up 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, snap, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And to finish off our choreography, we're going to bring our booty around 1, 2, then we're gonna step this foot, 3, 4. From there, we're gonna shove it forward, 5, 6. We're gonna step again, 7. We're gonna finish it on 8. So those last 2 counts of 8 will look like this. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And those last 2 counts of 8 facing the back. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, guys, let's go ahead and piece this choreography together from the beginning, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is what it will look like from the back, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, guys, let's go ahead and speed this choreography up before we piece it together with the music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, guys, let's go ahead and piece this choreography together with the music. Remember, once again, you can always speed it up or slow it down based upon your level. So good luck and try your best. 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, that is it for today's combo. I hope you enjoyed that jazz funk routine. If you did, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button right down below for new videos every week.